What if I tell you that the secret to becoming rich isn't hidden in a briefcase full of cash, but inside something ordinary, something you've heard 1,000 times but never understood? Mutual funds. Tonight, we're uncovering a story that every middle-class dreamer deserves to know, because one decision could change your life forever. The dream we all share every night. Millions of people stare at the ceiling, thinking about freedom. Freedom from bills, from debt, from this endless chase for money. We all want to live without fear of the next payment, but no one tells us how. Everyone says to save your money, but savings don't grow. They just sleep, and sleeping money dies with time. This is where the story begins, not with a billionaire, but with an ordinary man named Arjun. He worked 9 to 6, came home tired, and saved whatever was left. His dream? To give his parents comfort and his kids education. But one day he realized his savings were just paper losing value every year. That night, he saw a video just like this one, whispering a single word: mutual funds. He clicked, and that single click changed his destiny. The mystery behind the name. At first, Arjun didn't understand. Mutual fund. What's mutual about it? He laughed. But soon he learned it wasn't a scam nor a gamble. It was a team, a group of people pooling money together to invest in something bigger, like many drops forming an ocean. Imagine you can't buy a building, but if 1,000 people like you join hands, together you can own it. That's what mutual funds do. They invest your small amount with thousands of others, managed by professionals who know how to grow it. And the beauty? You don't need to be rich to start. Even with a few hundred rupees, you can become a shareholder in powerful companies. The hidden heroes. Fund managers behind every mutual fund. There's someone working silently. The fund manager. Think of them as the captain of your financial ship. They study markets, trends, risks, while you live your life. Their job, to make sure your small money grows into something big. Arjun imagined these fund managers like invisible warriors, fighting inflation, market crashes, and bad decisions on behalf of thousands of people like him. And all he had to do was trust them. But trust is hard when money is involved. So Arjun decided to understand it deeper, and what he discovered shocked him. The types that change everything. There wasn't just one kind of mutual fund. There were many faces. Some invested in company stocks, equity funds, some in government loans, debt funds, and some balanced both, hybrid funds. Each one had its own personality, some bold, some safe. Arjun realized that mutual funds weren't just about money. They were about choosing your risk story. You decide if you want a thrilling ride or a calm journey, and no matter which you choose, your money keeps working, even when you sleep. That night, Arjun smiled. For the first time, he felt in control of his future, the magic of SIP, small steps. Big change, then came the biggest twist. SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. The idea was simple but powerful. Instead of investing a huge amount once, you invest a tiny amount every month. Like planting a seed, watering it slowly, and watching it grow into a tree. Arjun started his SIP with just $500. He didn't feel rich, but he felt responsible. Every month, that small amount went out silently, working behind the scenes, multiplying slowly. Years later, those small $500 notes turned into lakhs, not by luck, but by patience. That's when he realized consistency beats luck every single time. The trap of fear, but life isn't a straight line. One day the market crashed. His fund value dropped. Panic hit him like a storm. Friends told him to withdraw everything. "It's all gone," they screamed. Arjun almost did. But then he remembered. Markets fall, but they rise again. He held on. Months later, when others cried losses, his patience gave him double returns. That day, he didn't just grow money, he grew wisdom. The truth no one tells you. People say mutual funds are risky. But the real risk is not understanding how money works. Keeping cash in banks gives you safety, yes, but inflation eats it slowly like termites eating wood. You don't see it until it's gone. Arjun realized, risk isn't in the fund. Risk is in fear. The market doesn't punish patience. It rewards it. And for the first time, he didn't feel poor anymore. He felt empowered. The power of time, 10 years passed. Arjun wasn't chasing money anymore. His money was chasing growth. The same small sips turned into wealth. Not magic, just time and discipline. He saw his parents smiling, his kids dreaming, and he whispered, "Thank you." Mutual funds. Because in the end, wealth wasn't just about numbers. It was about peace. The boy who once counted coins was now counting blessings. Your turn to begin now. The question isn't about Arjun. It's about you. If you can afford coffee every day, you can afford your future too. $500 a month can grow into lakhs if you start today. Not next month. Not next year, because the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So, my friend, before you scroll away, take a moment and think. What if this video becomes your Arjun moment? What if today is the day you change your family's destiny forever? Money is silent power. It grows in the dark for those who trust the light of patience. Don't let this be another video you forget. Let it be the one that starts your story. Subscribe now, because the next video might just be the one that teaches you how to turn those first $500 into your first million. Until then, take care of your dreams.